Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Tuesday Panic. I am your host, Paul Turner, and this is the show all about unprepared youth workers like you and me sometimes, depending whether that's maybe unprepared for a message, unprepared for a meeting, unprepared for life in general, who knows. But today I want to talk to you about an app that I found that'll help you post up some great looking Instagram pictures and advertisements, but also will allow you to make really cool slides for your messages and stuff like that. And it's called Insta-Quote. So I'm going to take you through a little tutorial, so hang on, and we will move on over there, and I'll show you how it works. Be right back. All right, so here we are on our on my iPhone here. And so here's the Insta-Quote here. The thing about Insta-Quote is, obviously Insta-Quote was made for quoting your favorite movies or your favorite books or your a scripture or something like that. But I found it to be a great multi kind of tool for creating media. If you look at some of my YouTube video thumbnails, those were created with the Insta-Quote. And so I'm going to show you here how to just kind of walk through it. I'll show you something I did today. I had what was called Taco Tuesday today. And Taco Tuesday was just a little thing I came up with, so to get some kids to come over after school. So I wanted to make a cool Instagram promo for it. So I just went to my photos here, found me a taco, and there's a taco. And then I'll use that. And then I just go to I go to the thing there where I can put in my words and put in Taco Tuesday. Okay, and we'll say 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, so we put it there. And the thing about this is you can make this as you can change the fonts with it, with everything you do there. So let's just try a tall one there. I'll fix that a little bit. Oops. Kind of make it a little taller if I can. Do it that way. There we go. And then I can make this bigger if I want to, using that little tool, and make it as big as I want. Okay. And then I can center that. The cool thing, I can center that just like that. In fact, I could use a different color if I want to, and make it purple. That's kind of cool. And let's see. Let's make it. We'll make it that. Let's see what that does. Let's make that a little bit bigger. Okay, I like that. It's looking good. So get nice and big there and get it to the size I want. So Taco Tuesday, 3 to 4. And then what I can do is I can do other things. Like, example, if I wanted to blur the taco, I could just simply take this like this and blur the taco a little bit in the background, which is kind of cool. And then that way the font actually stands out a little bit easier to see. And then once I've done that, I then can hit my, let's see, there's other options too, just so you know. Hit that button there again. I can center it up if I want to like that. Keep it to the left, move it to the right. I like it on the left like that. And then I can also change the lines if I want to make it move apart or come together. Lots of features on here. And so what I can do is I hit the Q button at the end. And what I can do is I can share it to Instagram, share it to Facebook, share it to Twitter, all those things. And then actually I'm going to share it back to my camera roll here, because what I can do then is I can then email the photo to myself, and then I can post it wherever. I can post it on Facebook and post it wherever I want to do with it, and then also use it as a promotion on Wednesday night. Let's say if I want to use it Taco Tuesday and put it in my announcements. So you can make a great announcement slides with this. You can make, like example, if I wanted to just use a different background, and you can, let's just use light here for an example. And these are cool. And so I put the lights back there. Oh, look, little hearts. And then I can change that. Let's say I wanted to just change it and do some lyrics, and make lyric slides with it. And I could do, how great is our God. Okay, and use that. And there you go. You got a great looking slide that you can use for that. You can use it for, all kinds of things. Like I said, I use it for my thumbnails on my YouTube channel. There's some of the thumbnails you see there created with this. I can use it for slides for promotions. I can use it for, all kinds of cool things. If I want to use it for a graphic and actually make a graphic out of this and put it in a newsletter or put it in a flyer or something like that, it's really kind of a very cool multi-use kind of tool to use all kinds of little media bits with it. So anyway, that's how Insta-Quote works. And I'm going to get off my phone here, and I'm going to come back to you in just a few seconds. See you in a second. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial using the Insta-Quote app that you can get on iTunes, and using all the little functions in it that will help you do some slides on the go and create graphics and cool stuff like that for your Instagram or your PowerPoint or whatever you're going to use it for. And so thanks for joining me today for the Tuesday Panic. Hopefully you're not as panicky right now. Hope you have a new tool in your toolbox to help you get stuff done as you're moving along. But thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. That lets me know you liked the video. And if you're brand spanking new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you'll get more videos like this in your inbox. So thank you again for joining me for the Tuesday Panic. I'm your host, Paul Turner, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.